Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are doing good. Today's video is all about unboxing Braun multi-quick 5 for the babies. It is actually for baby, but I bought it because my hand blender that I had before was from Canwood and it wasn't working. The battery wasn't working, so that's why I decided to buy a new one. And this time I bought the Braun because it's on the sale. And let's just unpack the things. So the first thing here is this really cute containers that you can use to freeze baby food, and this one is a spatula and I think that it will be useful. So for me, the main reason of buying this one is not to just make the baby food. I actually bought it for the multiple purpose and I found it on good price and it's on the sale, so that's why I just bought it. Okay, so here is the main thing. This one is for blend and mix, as we all know. This is, we can say, the battery, I think so. Anyhow, whatever we say, let me know in the comment section. And this one is the mini chopper that we can chop many things in it: onion, carrots, potato, tomatoes, or if you want any baby food you can chop just in it. And there is a jug, as you can see, and I really like that they give us the lid for the jug. And yes, if you are new to my channel, you are most welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon because I will be posting more videos in coming weeks. So after unboxing everything, let's actually see what we got. So this one is a spatula that I think will be very functional to scrape the food from the side of the containers, and this one is for the mix and for the blend. I really like it that it has a splash control technology, so our food will not splash all around. And now here is the thing, that it is very easily attachable and detachable. It's only just on one click and it's very easy to handle. It's very lightweight and it's very easy to handle for your maximum convenience. I really like it. Here is the chopper, and the size is actually, I was expecting it to be big, but I really like it because it's good enough to make the baby food. And here is the cutest thing, that is the container to freeze the food for the babies. It is actually the baby food freezer container that stays useful as your child grows. So you can freeze breast milk, bake cakes, mold ice lollies, make giant ice cubes, serve finger food, steak on picnic, or hold pens. Yani it is very functional because it can be used for multiple purpose. So I think it will be functional for me as well. And here is a card. What it says, let's see. It says mushy mushy, and it says to claim your recipe ebook, go to www.mushybaby.eu. Okay, I will for sure visit this. And okay, so now here is the jug, and it has a measurement scale as well. It's till 600 ml and it's for cold storage, and I actually really like it that it comes with the lid, so you can just cover it and keep it in the fridge. So if you still didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe it because I will be posting the review soon. Thanks for watching.